Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to lesson 2 of the third 9 weeks. This week we're going to work on a little bit of balance, but not just balancing while you're standing still, balancing while you're moving. Not just balancing on one object, balancing on multiple objects. So we call this game
Couch Island.
All right. So the object is to move across and get to island safely, because underneath your feet is molten lava, and you don't want to fall into the lava, because we all know what would happen if we fell into molten lava. So the object is to move while maintaining your balance across the lava.
Yeah. So our goal is that our big island we want to get to, the safety point, is a couch that you may have at home, a chair, a soft chair, not a hard dining room chair, a soft chair that you might have in your living room. If all else fails, maybe a big old stack of pillows or a bed could work as well. But you're going to find different items from around your house to create a path to get you through the lava to your big island of safety. Now, these different objects that you're going to be using need to be soft and non-breakable. So that would include something like a towel, a pillow, blankets, maybe a large stuffed animal that you have. There's a ton of different options. Those are just ones that come to mind right away for me that you could use. You can fold them in different ways. You can place them however you want throughout the room to get to your island of safety. Now, we want you to have several objects to show that you are balancing. You're using different locomotor skills, getting from one spot to another. So if you look at down by our feet, we have 3 river stones, which are just things that we can step on and hop between from side to side. And then we also have a big flat yellow piece of paper, which we're going to say is like a towel that you all may have. And we can step on that and use that to go between all of our stones to get to our couch safety. We obviously don't have a couch right now, but I think you can picture what we're saying. You need to make a path all the way to your couch to jump on and be safe from the lava. Now, each time you do this, we want you to try and make it a little bit harder every time. So maybe you take a piece away, and now the distance has changed. So if I wanted to go to the yellow to the orange, now I have to do a really big step because Mr. Fisher took away the purple piece. Okay, so we're changing the distance. The other option is anything that you lay out flat and wide. You can fold it to make it smaller, so then you're not having as much room to step on. Okay, those are all different adaptations you can make to make this harder. We want you practicing this multiple times to try and make it as hard as possible for you, but you can also complete it because we want to see you challenge yourselves during this activity.
And the submission for this activity is, we don't just want a picture. We're going to need a short video because we want to see you maintaining that balance, keeping that balance, because this doesn't really tell us whether you are moving and balancing at the same time with just one picture in one spot. So we want a video that shows you moving. All right, so
we want
that
to see
is
what
part
you
of the
come up
submission.
with. Yeah.
Yes.
We want to see how you get from the starting point all the way across the lava to your couch. So again, the floor is lava, so you want to stay safe. So you're going to be sending in a video, key part, video, and there will also be a Word document with 3 questions for you to write out and respond to. So we're going to be working on some ELA there, and you're going to write out a couple responses. Nothing crazy hard. We want you all to be creative and have fun with this.
Now, just to reiterate what Ms. DeArmond wrote on the Teams page yesterday, we need you to submit the assignments as instructed. Some of you are kind of sending in partial submissions, or you're just kind of just picking something saying this is close enough. That is not going to count anymore. We are now in the third 9 weeks. If the submission for the assignment says a short video and 3-question reflection, that is what you need to hand in. You will not get full credit for sending in a picture of you standing on something. That is not what we're looking for anymore. This is the third 9 weeks. So for this lesson. Short video, a 3-question reflection. We need all of that for you to get full credit. Take your time. There is no hurry on this stuff. You don't have to have it in 10 seconds later. Take your time. But if you keep submitting what some of you are submitting, you're going to keep getting those zeros. Or what we're trying to be nice and do is, if you send a partial submission, we will send you a chat back and say, hey, excuse us, you did not do this all the way correctly. We will give you a chance to fill in the blanks of what you submitted to get full credit. I actually had somebody do that this morning. This is Friday. I had a child this morning hand in a resubmission and filled in the parts that they skipped, and they got full credit. So please remember to start doing that, because it's the third 9 weeks, boys and girls. You can do this stuff.
Yeah, even if you submit something, you can resubmit it, okay? It's not just one and done. You can go back in and return it into us. So if you get a chat from one of us, both of us, or you see that your grade comes back and it's not a perfect 10 out of 10, then go back, redo it. You have the time. We're giving you that extra amount of time and a second chance to do it perfectly. So.
All right. So I guess that's it. I hope you all had a good 3-day weekend, and we will see you soon.
Yep.